Hey everyone, back to Exotic Car Hacks, and today we are in for quite a surprise. So many of you know that I am a huge exotic car fan. Obviously, this makes sense. You know, the McLaren, Le Mans, the SVJ, and of course the Pista, and many other cars like the ones behind you, but that's not the point. Today we're not talking about cars, we're talking about motorcycles. If you've been following me for a while, you always notice that there's always one motorcycle specifically in my office, and that motorcycle is always a Ducati. For the last 3 years, I've basically been switching Ducatis every few months using my own exotic car hack strategies on motorcycles, not really riding them because I don't enjoy riding anymore. I used to ride when I was very young, but I've been using these very same strategies to actually apply to buying the correct rare Ducatis as office decoration and then continuously improving and going to the next Ducati, etc., wherever the money made sense. Well, this latest Ducati is probably not going to leave for quite some time unless you pay me a lot of money because it's very, very special. As a person who doesn't ride, it only made sense that I kind of mix my passion for exotic cars with motorcycles with my latest acquisition. Now it's very special. There's a total of 600 plus units that have been brought worldwide, but only 100 in the United States. And its MSRP was $38,000, but it is currently trending at over $100,000 in the used market. And it is yet my biggest and coolest thing I think I've acquired outside of cars. So if you're ready, come on, and let me introduce you to the new Lamborghini Ducati. Now, this is incredible and the latest addition to my personal collection of cool shit outside of Transformers, which is this Diavel 1260 by Lamborghini, literally. And there are a lot of differences from the regular Diavel, and it's not about just motor size or anything else. It's really about the way this bike looks. Outside of all of this incredible carbon fiber everywhere and this amazing matte green paint from the Sion, you're seeing a lot of really cool factors, such as look at the carbon that follows all the way to the bottom, look at the rose gold frame, look at the little insignia here, and of course, Lamborghini 63 logos and Lamborghini painted logos right in the middle. This is an unbelievably cool motorcycle. Unfortunately for me, I'm never going to be riding this because it has 1 mile. But you may want to consider the fact that these bikes right here were just shy of $40,000 when new, and this is brand new, and now are trending over $100,000. And you can expect these to probably go even higher, closer to $200,000 over the next few years. And we can attribute this to just being such a low production, incredible office decoration for a lot of people who own Lamborghinis. And I know a lot of those guys. So the point is that this right now is, I think, at the tip of just shooting its ass up. And it's a great opportunity for someone to get one of these. I know that other entrepreneurs like Patrick Bet-David just got one. Brett David himself has 2 of them at Lamborghini Miami. So I think that these particular bikes are going to go up tremendously in value. And I think that just the design sitting in office is just beautiful. The rose gold wheels, straight out inspired from the Sion, including all of these logos, carbon and everything, just flows so perfectly and makes it the ultimate office decoration. I just wanted to show it to you. I know this is Exotic Car Hacks. It has nothing to do whatsoever with motorcycles, but you can always utilize our strategies right on bikes too. I've been doing it time and time again. But remember, again, Exotic Car Hacks and our memberships are now on sale for Black Friday in July, and you need to act now. Simply click in the bio. There's a little link, and it lets you join us for just $197. This is the lowest price we've ever offered to have a lifetime membership to the coolest exotic car community out there. This isn't a community where you're just going to get access to YouTube videos. We have an incredibly robust programs where we train you on how to get in and out of exotic cars without losing any money. Not worrying about insurance, not worrying about depreciation, not worrying about what will happen once I drive my car and add miles and things like that. And we have an incredible panel of experts constantly updating the content and helping us create the most up-to-date exotic car community on the internet, which is probably why we're 15,000 plus strong, and we need you to join us. So make sure you like, hit up notifications, and of course, leave me a comment. What do you think of my new Lamborghini bike? Was it a good replacement to my previous Panigale V4S, or should I have just kept that in the office? I know the other bike was probably faster, but this is just so fucking sick. And you need to get in on one of these if you can from a value standpoint. Just do not forget to do that. It's so worth it. You need one right now. So you can't buy this one. Buy another one. Like the channel. Tell me what you think.